Hey kiddos, we're going to go ahead and start on your Chapter 9 review. Make sure you pay attention to the tips that I gave you on the paper. Number 1, Alexa and Rose read books that have the same number of pages. Alexa's book is divided into 8 equal chapters. Rose's book is divided into 6 equal chapters. Each girl has read 3 chapters of her book. Write a fraction to describe what part of the book each girl read, then tell who read more. So there's 3 parts to this. 1, tell me the fraction that Alexa has read. 2, tell me the fraction that Rose has read. And 3, tell me who read more. For number 2, you need to go ahead and check through these fractions, reading carefully the signs of greater than, less than, or equal to, and decide if the way this is written is correct or not. So you're simply marking yes or no. Number 3, Dan and Miguel are working on the same homework assignment. Dan has finished 1/4 of the assignment. Miguel has finished 3/4 of the assignment. Which statement is correct? Mark all that apply. There's going to be 2 that are correct here. A says Miguel has completed the entire assignment. Letter B says Dan has not completed the entire assignment. Letter C says Miguel has finished more of the assignment than Dan. And letter D says Dan and Miguel have completed equal parts of the assignment. So take a look at those fractions and decide which 2 of those statements is true. When you're ready, go to the next page. You do not have to complete number 4, so we're going to move on to number 5. Number 5 says a nature center offers 2 guided walks. The morning walk is 2/3 of a mile. The evening walk is 3/6 of a mile. The question is, which walk is shorter? I'd like you to show me by using those fraction strips and then answer the question. Is it the morning walk or the evening walk? Number 6. You have 2 fractions here that you need to compare. So 1 fraction here, 1 fraction here, and then decide which of those symbols you're going to use in the middle. When you are done, go ahead and turn the page. Number 7, I already completed this section for you, so you will use that to help you. Number 7 says, Mrs. Reed baked 4 pans of lasagna for a family party. You're going to use the rectangles to represent the pans. Part A said to draw lines to show how it could be cut into 3rds, 4ths, 6ths, and 8ths. That's already done for you on your paper. So you're going to go on here to part B. At the end of the dinner, equivalent amounts of lasagna in 2 pans were left. Use the models to show the lasagna that might have been left over. Write 2 pairs of equivalent fractions to represent the models. So I want you to look up here at these 4 pans, compare 2 of them. If you shaded in the same amount, what would those fractions be? And you're going to tell me what those equivalent fractions are here. Number 8. Tom rode his horse for 4/6 a mile. Liz rode her horse for an equal distance. So what is that equivalent fraction to show how far Liz rode? Shade in here for Tom first, shade in that same amount of space here for Liz, and go ahead and write down then what is that equivalent fraction. Number 9, Avery prepares 2 equal-sized oranges for the bats at the zoo. One dish has 3/8, another one has 2/8. Which dish has more? So go ahead and write a comparison. 3/8 is what compared to 2/8? So you can use your greater than symbol there. When you're ready, go ahead and turn the page. Number 10, you're simply going to write your number sentence here. So you're going to say, Jenna painted 1/8 of one side of a fence. Mark painted 1/6. Simply write this as a greater than, less than, or equal to statement. So fraction, greater than or less than, or equal to, fraction. Number 11. Bill used 1/3 a cup of raisins and 2/3 a cup of banana chips to make a snack. True or false for each one of these?